Oh, fans of C.A.W. Summer storm coming up, and a lot of people are asking me, so Spade, are you gonna win your first blood match with Bruce Wolf? You know what I said? I said, you better fucking believe it. Because so Spade, when he gets a toy, he doesn't play nice. Especially when it's with Bruce Wolf. Now, as for the others, like Jay Jr., for example, let's just say my friend and my favorite toy of all time is gonna become his best friend. And as for Bruce Wolf, well, you can say the moon's not going to be out tonight. One more thing. I will win the C.A.W. Hardcore Championship. And no one will get in my way.